Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to import data from Excel file into the database. Before I start, can I ask you to like this video or subscribe to the channel? If this video is confusing for you or you have any questions or suggestions, please contact us and we will do our best to help you. You will find the link in the description. In this tutorial, we will be working with SQL Server database. I have already created connection to the database. Here we have Excel file, which shows customers' data. Now let's start creating a new transformation. So we just click plus, and we call it importing Excel file. We don't need the validator because we have nothing to validate. Plus removing not used objects, increase performance. Setting up reader connection. So data source type is Excel. Connection name is Excel files. Selecting Excel file. Like this. One of the benefits of working with Advanced ETL Processor is that you can load multiple files in one go using mask. You can also search in subdirectories. More than you can use mask to load data from tables or Excel sheets. So what we need to do now, we need to set up auto format grid, setting up field names, and since we have not got a table to load the data into, you would need to generate a script. So generate table creation script. Setting up writer parameters. So our data target type is SQL Server and connection name is demo. We need to create a table. This can be easily done by using table browser. Just click on this button. Just paste the script. Call it customers, and we'll set type to varchar 255, just in case. This was actually integer. City, country, form 2, email, website, and subscription date is going to be daytime. Right. Okay, so what we need to do now, we just run the script. So the table is created. You can see it here, customers. And click OK. Definition. And the next step is to map the fields. using automap. There is one additional modification we need to do for subscription date, because we need to make sure that we're using correct format. And format is day, months, and year. And we will be using for that date format function. So we just set to where's the format. Yeah, here it is. Look at this one. By the way, it can work with multiple date formats. So done, and we are now ready to load the data. It's all loaded in less than 1 second. We check that we actually have the data. Is the data? What else can we do? We can, quite often it is necessary to run the script before loading the data to the database. So this can be done by using SQL editor before and after. In this example, we truncate the date table. We can actually run it from here. Check. So okay, table is empty. We run it again. We have the data. As you can see, loading data from Excel into any database is pretty straightforward. Our software works with Excel correctly all the time. If you use any other third-party software which uses ADBC drivers, you might have some problems. Just Google for IMAX equal 1 and you'll find it. Our software can do very complex transformations. If you need any help with data validation transformation, please feel free to contact us. You'll find the link in the description. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.